Given the data, yeah, given the data, so x and y values, or they given x and y values. For 1 it is 4, and for 2 it is 17, and for 3 it is 46, and for 4 it is 97, and for 5 it is 176. So find y of 3.2 by using Gauss forward formula. So here solution. So x and y values I'll write here. So here it is for 1 it is 4, and for 2 it is 17, for 3 it is 46, and for 4 it is 97, and for 5 it is 176. So here which one is the middle of the table here? So 3 is the middle of the table, so let x naught equals 3. So x naught value is 3. What I have to find out? It is 3.2. So it comes here only. Now you have to go for here. This is x naught, means what do you get? X of x minus 1, x of x minus 2, this one. So x of x 1, x of x 2. So this is your y naught, y suffix minus 1, y suffix minus 2, and y suffix 1, y suffix 2 values. So here go for forward. So what do you get? These two difference, what do you get? Delta y naught value. So it is 13 you will get, means 17 minus 4, and these two value delta y suffix minus 1 equals what is 46 minus that 17 you will get 29, and these two values what do you get? Delta y naught upper portion will get. So what do you get? 97 minus 46 will get 51, and these two difference delta y suffix 1 equals what do you get? 176 minus 97 will get 79. Now what do you get? Next difference, what do you get? Delta square y, delta square y. So these two difference means delta square y suffix this minus 2 equals 29 minus 13 will get 16, and these two difference delta square y suffix minus 1 equals 51 minus 29 will get 22, and these two difference delta square y suffix 0 delta y delta square y naught, what you get? 79 minus 51 will get 28. Now what do you get? Next difference delta q y. So these two difference, what do you get? Delta square y suffix minus 2 equals 22 minus 16 will get 6, and these two difference, what do you get? Delta q y suffix minus 1 equals what do you get? It is 6, and what do you get? Fourth difference here delta to the power of 4 y suffix minus 2 equals 6 minus 6 will get 0. So now here what do you get? Now you have to find out the write the formula. So here first write on the central line. So central line, what do you get here? So in central line here you will get an even difference. So Gauss forward means what I get below the center line, you have to take it. So what you get, you will get like this up to delta to the power of y4 divided by the formula, but delta y to the power of 4 what you get 0. So write on up to here delta cube y form. So what is the formula now? Now here y equals f of x equals what you get y naught plus r into delta y naught here r into delta y naught plus what do you get r into r minus 1 into 2 factorial into delta square y suffix minus 1 plus r in r plus 1 into r plus 1 into r minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into what do you get delta q y suffix minus 1 plus r plus 1 into r minus 1 into r minus 2 whole divided by 4 factorial into delta to the power of 4 y suffix minus 2. But what is this value? This value is 0, so this whole term becomes 0. So now what is where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So what is x value? What do you have to find out? Here you have to find out for 3.2. So x value is 3.2 minus what do you get x naught value taken? It is 3 divided by what is the difference here? H value. This is equidistance. 2 minus 1 you will get to 1 here. H value is 1. So we will get our value is 0.2. So substitute that one. So y equals f of 3.2 equals what is y naught value? Here y naught value is 46 plus r value is so r value is what you get, it is 0.2 into what is delta y naught value? Delta y naught value is 51 plus 0.2 into 0.2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial means it is 2. What is delta square minus 1? Here delta square y suffix minus 1 is 22 plus what is here 0.2 plus 1 into 0.2 into 0.2 minus 1 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 6 into what is delta cube y suffix minus 1? It is 6. So last term becomes 0. Now here 2 ones are 2 11s are 6 2 ones are 6 cancel. So if you multiply all these things, so y is equal to f of 3.2 equals we'll get 54.248. If you calculate, you will get the answer is 54.248. So here 3.8 in between 3 and 4 will get, so 46 to 97. So what is the answer? 54.98. Then your 54 is between 46 and 97 only you will get. So then your answer is almost correct. If you crosses for here less than 46 if you get, your answer is wrong. Above the 97 if you get, your answer is wrong. Remember that one. So next problem. So second one, use Gauss backward interpolation formula to estimate the population in the year 1926, given that here and population in thousands. So 1901 you will get 12,000. So 1911, so you will get 15,000. So here 1921 in 20,000, and here 1931 in 27,000. So solution here. So solution. So write on the x and y values. So here 1901, 1911, 1921, 1931. So y values here, what do you get? It is 12,000, it is 15,000, it is 20,000, and it is 27,000. Now here middle of the table, which is the middle of the table here, which values? So we'll get two values, you'll get middle of the table. Now here for Gauss backward, you have to Gauss backward and Sterling's, you have to take second one as the x naught, second one as the x naught. So this becomes x of x minus 1 and x of x minus 2. This is x of x 1. This is y naught, y of x minus 1, y of x minus 2, and this is y1. Now delta y, these two difference means delta y suffix minus 2, 15 minus 12 will get 3, and these two difference delta y suffix minus 1, so 20 minus 15 you will get 5, and here these two difference delta y naught equals 27 minus 20 you will get 7. So delta square y, so these two difference, what do you get? Delta square y suffix minus 2 equals 5 minus 2 you will get 3, and these two here delta square y suffix minus 1 equals 7 minus 5 you will get 2. Now what do you get? Delta cube y. So delta cube y means here these two difference means what do you get? Delta q y suffix minus 2 equals 2 minus 2 will get 0. Now central line. So which one is your central line? Here this is your central line. So above the for Gauss backward above the central line you have to take. So you will get like this. So formula. So write down the formula and substitute the values. Here what is x naught? X naught equals 1921. Now here y equals f of x equals what do you get? Y naught plus r into delta y suffix 1 plus what do you get? R into r plus 1 into r divided by 2 factorial into what you get? Delta square y suffix minus 1 plus here r plus 1 into r minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into delta q y suffix minus 2. So here last term is 0 because delta q y suffix minus 2 is 0. So now write down the answers. Here y equals f of 1 for which value 1926 here to find out. So y naught value is 20. Oh sorry, before that you have to find out r value, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So r equals x naught value is what do you get? 1926. So 1926 minus x naught value is taken 1921 divided by difference. Difference is how much? It is 10, and here also it is 10, and here also it is 10. So h value is 10. So 5 divided by 10, so we will get 0.5. So r value is 0.5. So substitute the values. What do you get? Y equals f of 1926 equals y naught value is 20 plus r value is 0.5 into delta y suffix minus 1. It is 5 plus 0.5 plus 1 into 0.5 whole divided by 2 factorial means it is 2. Delta square y suffix minus 1 is 2. So last term is 0. So 2 will get cancelled, and here if you multiply you will get the final answer is 23.25 thousand populations. Here in thousands because it is in thousands. So here in 19, what I get here in these two, here 1926 here to find out. So between these two will get here. So what I get here 20 and 23 is there. So in between you will get the value. So how much you get? 23.25. So here you will get 23.25. It comes in between 20 and 27. So your answer is almost correct. So next problem. So next problem, applying Stirling's formula to find the cubic polynomial satisfying f of minus 4 equals minus 25, f of minus 2 equals 1, f of 0 equals 3, f of 2 equals 29, f of 4 equals 127. and hence find f of 3 and f of 7. So here solution. First you have to construct the table, center difference table. So here forget about f of 3 and f of 5. First you have to construct the table. Afterwards you have to find out the cubic, here cubic polynomial. Afterwards you have to find out for f of 3 and f of 7. So remember that one. So first you have to construct the table. So x and y values. So here for -4 it is -25, and for -2 it is +1, and for 0 it is 3, and for 2 it is 29, and for 4 it is 127. So which one is the middle of the value? This one is the middle value, so we take it as x naught. So it is x naught means, what do you get? This is x of x minus 1, x of x minus 2. So x of x1, x of x2. So this is y of x minus 2, y of x minus 1, y naught, y1, y2. So construct the table. So delta y means you have to take this difference, delta y suffix minus 2 value. So you will get here 20 plus 26, 1 minus of minus 25. So you have to take these two difference, delta y suffix minus 1, 3 minus 1, you will get 2. This difference delta y suffix y naught, you will get 29 minus 3, you will get 26, and delta y1, so delta y suffix 1 equals, what you get, 127 minus 29, so you will get 98. Now next here delta square y, so these two difference, what you get here, delta y suffix minus 2, so 2 minus 26 will get minus 24, and these two delta y suffix delta square y suffix minus 2 equals 26 minus 2 will get 24, and these two difference delta square y suffix 1 0 delta square y suffix 0 is 98 minus 26, so you get 72, and here delta cube y, so these two difference delta cube y suffix minus 2, so you will get 24 minus of minus 24 is 48, and here delta cube y suffix this is this is 1, delta square y suffix minus 1 equals 72 minus 24, you will get 48. So what you get last difference, delta to the power of 4y, it is 0. So here, which one here, central line, okay, central line should be always power should be even. Now odd difference, you have to take the, you have to write the formula means you have to take average of the odd differences. Now you have to write the formula, then find out the polynomial. So y equals y naught plus rated r into, you have to take the average of these two, so delta y naught plus delta y suffix minus 1 whole divided by 2 plus r square divided by 2 factorial into what do you get, delta square y suffix minus 1 plus what do you get, r plus 1 into r minus 1 whole divided by 3 factorial in 3 factorial into what do you get, average of these two, delta q y suffix minus 2 plus delta q y suffix minus 1 whole divided by 2. So where here last difference is 0, so no need to write that one, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h, x value. So you have to find out the polynomial. So here you have to find out the cubic polynomial. So keep x as it is, keep x as it is. So what is x naught value? X naught value is 0. So x divided by what is h value, difference is 2. So r equals x by 2. This implies r equals x by 2. So substitute that one. What is y naught value? Y naught value is 3 plus r is x by 2 into average of these two, 2 plus 26 26 plus 2 divided by 2 plus r means x by 2 whole square divided by 2 factorial means it is 2 into delta square y suffix minus 1, it is 24 plus r means x by 2 plus 1 into x by 2 minus 1 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 6 into here 48 plus 48 divided by 2. So what do you get, 3 plus x by 2 into what do you get here now, you will get 26 and 28 divided by 2. So plus x square divided by 4 divided by 2 into 24 plus if you take it to LCM, what do you get, x plus 2 divided by 2 into x by 2 and here x minus 2 divided by 2 whole divided by 6 into, you will get average for this one is 48. 6 1 the 6 8 the 2 2 the 4 4 2 the 8. So all are get cancel here. 2 12 the 4 1 the 4 3 the and here 2 14 the 2 7 the. So what do you get? So here 3 plus 7x plus 3x square plus here x plus 2 into x minus 2, so this becomes a plus b into a minus b, so we get a square minus b square, so that means x square minus 4 into x you will get. So this now what happened, 3 plus 7x plus what do you get, x cube minus 4 x square you will get, sorry 4 x you will get. Now here x cube plus 3 plus 3x plus 3 will get. So here and plus 3x square is missing, so here 3x square plus 3, so f of x equals, so I missed here 3x square, so I written here, so what do you get, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 3. So this is your polynomial, cubic polynomial. Now you have to find out for f of 3. So put 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 3. So if you simplify, you will get 66, and here if we put x is equal to 5, so you will get 5 cube means 125 plus 5 into 5 square, 25 into 5 again 125 plus 5 into 5x. If we put x is equal to 5 here, so plus 3, so how much you get? 1250 plus sorry 125, somewhere it's wrong. Yeah, it is 3 times of x square, so sorry 3 times of x square, so 25 into 3 and 125, 25 and plus 3 you get 218. Sorry, this is 3 times of x square. Now so next problem 4.1. Use Bessel's formula. Use Bessel's formula to find y of 12.5. 12.5 given here, given the data. So here x and y values. So for 5 it is 12, and for 10 it is 13, and for 15 it is 14, and for 20 it is 16. Now solution. So here x and y values. So for 5 it is 10, and for 12, and for 10 it is 13, and for 15 it will get 14, for 20 will get 16. Now we have to use the Bessel's formula. Now we have to find out x naught. So find out the middle value first. So middle values you get two values. So for Bessel's and forward, you have to take x naught as here first term. First value you have to take as x naught for Bessel's and forward. So this is x naught means this is x of x minus 1. This is x of x1, x2. This is y naught, y1, y2. This is y of x minus 1. So delta y, these two difference, what you get? Delta y of x minus 1, 13 minus 2 will get 1. And here these two difference, delta y, delta y naught, so you will get 14 minus 13, you will get 1. And here this difference, delta y of x1, 16 minus 14, you will get 2. So here delta square y, so what you get? These two difference. Here delta square y of x minus 1, 1 minus 1 will get 0. And here what you get? Delta square y of x, delta square y of x, what do you get here? 0. So 2 minus 1 will get 1. And what do you get here? Delta q y of x. So these two value. So delta q y of x minus 1 value here, 1 minus 0 will get 1. Now here we have to find out the central line. So here, so write on the formula. So what is it formula now? Formula y equals, what do you get, y0 plus y1 divided by 2 plus r minus 1 by 2 times of delta y0 plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y suffix minus 1 plus delta square y0 whole divided by 2 plus r into r minus 1 by 2 into r minus 1 whole divided by 3 factorial into delta q y suffix minus 1, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So here what you have to find out? You have to find out for 12.5, that is your x value. So 12.5 minus x naught value is 10 divided by h value difference is 5. So 5. So what do you get here? R value will get, it is 0.5. So 0.5 will get here now. So 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. You can take any one. So 0.5 or 1 by 2. So here y equals y0 value is, what do you get? Y0 value is 13 plus y1 value is 14 divided by 2 plus here what do you get? R value is 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 into delta y0 value is 1 here, plus r value is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 into what do you get? Delta square y suffix 1, it is 0 plus 1 divided by 2. And here plus r value is 1 by 2, I will take here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and here 1 by 2 minus 1 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 6. It is 2 factorial means it is 2 into what do you get? Delta q by suffix 1, it is 1. So here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, so it gets 0, the whole term becomes 0, and here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, it gets 0, the multiply with whole term will get 0. So if you multiply, so y equals here 13.5 you will get, and here minus, here you will get minus 0.0625, so y of 12.5 equals, you will get 13.4375.